Libra ascendant people. For Libra ascendant people, Rahu will be in the 8th house actually. When Rahu enters the Kritika Nakshatra, then also mixed results will come in the forefront. An old secret of years may come out of the closet. During this time, you can also be a participant in any lawful act which may result in severe punishment, because 8th represent some problems and all obstacles. So you may face that. All these things are likely to cause your mental stress. You may also have to face. Now coming to the Scorpio ascendant people, so when Rahu enters the Rohini Nakshatra, after leaving the Mrigashira Nakshatra, you will obtain the full-fledged support of your luck during this time period. You may also have to undertake a long distance journey if you are associated with any kind of business. Rahu will be in the 7th house. Your relationship with your lover will improve. However, a particular thing can generate some amount of mental stress. So when Rahu takes in Kritika Nakshatra nest, you can stumble upon a promotion offer at your workplace. Your professional performance will also be extraordinary. You will leave everyone behind and make gradual progress. Not only this, you will also be able to outshine your enemies. Beautiful results will be obtained when it comes to your love relation. Of course, you need to see dispositors and all, so that you need to check. Now coming to the Sagittarius ascendant, for Sagittarius ascendant people, when Rahu is in the 6th house and enters the Rohini Nakshatra, you will become strong economically. Your financial position will be such that you will be able to repay an old loan which had been taken in the past. It is recommended to take special care of your health, otherwise there are chances of you falling prey to some major ailments on account of a particular problem. Your mental tension are also likely to increase. Distance may also seep into the relationship between you and your maternal family members. Now at the end of the Rahu, that is when it enters in the Kritika Nakshatra of this particular zodiac sign, that is the Taurus zodiac sign, then you have to push your edges to the great extent to remain at the receiving end of success. Your fortunes may also fall short. On the other hand, if you are appearing for any competitive exam, then success will definitely fall into your lap. Expenses will be on the rise, which is why it is your responsibility to make sure that you spend very carefully. On account of a certain task done by you, your father is likely to gather benefits. Now coming to the Capricorn ascendant, for Capricorn ascendant people, when Rahu enters in the Rohini Nakshatra, then there are quite a few chances of you coming into terms with bouts of happiness, because Rahu will be in the 5th house. Those natives who are in love may tie the knot with their respective life partners. Overall, for matters related to love and romance, this time duration will prove to be beneficial for you. You will be provided multiple opportunities to take some trips with your partner. Apart from this, there are also chances of making it big in the field of education. Your children are also likely to make good progress. Okay, so you need to check the dispositor again. At the end, when Rahu moves to the Kritika Nakshatra, then you may get some monetary gains via lottery or betting, because 5th house represent betting and all, lottery, shares market and all, as there are strong chances to acquire them. Apart from this, if you are contemplating earning some money, then success will fall into your lap. Inflow of income will increase and you will be able to repay an old loan. Now coming to the Aquarius ascendant, so when the planet Rahu enters the Rohini Nakshatra, then you will obtain in matters related to property disputes. Apart from this, there are also strong chances of obtaining success in legal disputes. However, a mother's health may remain somewhat weak, because Rahu will be in the 4th house. 4th house represent mother, right? So that's why take utmost care of her. You are also likely to make profits on account of your eloquence. Eloquence means your speech or your communication, I can say. At the end, when Rahu remains posited in Kritika Nakshatra, then your love life most expected to blossom. Life partner will also be the reason for your happiness, and he or she is expected to remain at the receiving end of your professional success. If you are engaged with any kind of business, then profits are most likely to flow in, but mental tensions may somewhat increase. Take good care of your own health. Now coming to the Pisces ascendant, so when Rahu enters the Rohini Nakshatra, because Rahu will be in the third house, so this is the time when success will obtain in love related matters. Single natives may cross paths with a prospective lover. Ultimately, Rahu presence will be in the Kritika Nakshatra very soon after this. This is the time when success will be obtained in legal disputes. On a negative note, stress is likely to prevail in your relationship with maternal family members, but personal efforts will be graced with success, and there are also chances of the inflow of your income increasing. So yep, this is it for today, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I will see you in the next video. So if you guys want any consultancy, please do contact to my given below WhatsApp number, or else you can even mail me also. So until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.